Hello and welcome to my channel if you're new, or welcome back. Today, as you can see by the title, I'm doing bread rolls, bread buns. It's my mom's recipe. It's a Polish recipe, very easy, very quick to do. They are full of gluten, so they are not gluten free, but they can be dairy free, they can be vegan. I make them dairy free. Who doesn't love a bread recipe, a bread roll recipe? Most people love bread, at least I do. Also, I will really appreciate it if you subscribe, if you enjoy this video, if you leave a comment, if you spread my channel. Thank you. I know I'm a little dressed up, but why not? I will put an apron on later when I need to. So, I already prepared. Here you have 50 grams of yeast, a glass of lukewarm water and 1 tablespoon of sugar. This is 100 grams of yeast. I took half of it, and all the ingredients will be on the screen and possibly below as well. I've let this stand here for around 10 minutes, and now I'm going to prepare the dough together with this. I've got almost 800 grams of wheat flour. I'm adding into this bowl. I'm also adding 1 tablespoon of salt. Now I'm going to add 1 glass of water and 1 glass of vegan milk, but you can use normal milk. Today I'm having rice milk. I usually add oat milk, but they didn't have it in the store, and I like this rice milk as well. You can use normal milk, lactose free, vegan. It works out really well. Apron is on. I'm going to stir this all together. It's very nice to have homemade bread buns. You know what's in them. They are very, very tasty. Quick, easy, old Polish recipe. I'm adding the yeast, water and sugar mixture. And I'm going to work with the dough now. Then I will let it grow, and I will cover it for around 1 hour. It looks really, really nice. So I will cover it and let it rest for 1 hour, and then we'll continue. Did I say that it is very quick, easy and yummy? I'm back. Has grown very nicely. I'm putting some flour on my hands, and I'm going to form buns, and they will rest for 30 minutes. And we are done. Bread for me is such a comfort food. Let me know what kind of comfort food do you have. Also, some other things are comfort food for me, but bread and bread buns, wheat, things made out of wheat flour. And I have some intolerances, and I healed actually. I healed with bioresonance my gluten intolerance, but I still have to be careful. I rarely eat white bread, as I call it. I think We'll have 9 bread rolls. I mean, they are amazing. They've grown wonderfully. Time to put them in the oven. (225 degrees), around 25 to 30 minutes. I will see you when I dig into this for my supper. Let's try. Amazing, with lots of butter. I will put cheese on one, half honey on the other. Thank you very much for watching, and make sure to check out my other bread recipes and my food recipes, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!